This patient presented with missing teeth. She did not want to wear partial dentures, which she presented with, so implants were placed and a smile makeover was carried out with implant supported crowns. So here's a picture of before and after. This patient presented with worn down teeth, missing teeth, broken teeth. All the teeth were restored with either implants or crowns to give her a symmetrical, even, white, bright smile. This patient presented with no teeth in the upper arch, very little bone. The bone was grafted in the upper jaw and in the lower jaw, typical block grafts, and after reconstruction an aesthetic smile was constructed over implants. Patient complained of a gummy smile and anesthetic appearance. This was restored by dental implants, supported crowns, and aesthetic veneers to restore the aesthetics. This is an extreme case where the patient complained of unaesthetic teeth. There was a lot of tooth decay and the whole smile was restored by smile makeover and veneers and crowns. This patient had uneven teeth with a gummy smile. Teeth were short, half moon shaped, and the color was darker. The teeth were brightened, the front teeth were brightened with some veneers over the front teeth to establish symmetry and aesthetics. This patient had all her upper teeth but no lower teeth. The lower teeth were replaced by placement of a full lower denture, and this was supported by a ramus frame implant, where the implant takes support at 3 points in the lower jaw over which a denture is fitted. The idea is that the upper natural teeth will place loads on the lower teeth which will be taken over by the frame. This patient had worn down broken teeth due to acid erosion. The teeth were restored by a smile makeover with aesthetic veneers. So the patient on the right is 10 years older than the patient on the left. How did this happen? Because a full mouth implantation was done 10 years previously, and you can see how the muscles have now gained the tone after 10 years of usage. So implants can also make you look younger. This patient had one single tooth missing, a molar tooth, which was replaced by an implant supported crown. There was inadequate bone, so a sinus graft was carried out prior to placement of an implant. And here is the final result of restoration on the implants. This patient had a single tooth missing due to a trauma, and it was replaced by a dental implant supported crown, and this is the result before and after. There was note here, there was no need to involve the two teeth on either side. It was an individual tooth which was supported by the crown and the implant. This patient presented with no upper teeth, and he was restored with implant supported dentures. You can see here a bar with 5 implants and 5 implants at the top supporting the dentures. Full upper denture and a full lower denture. This patient presented with no teeth in the upper and lower arch. She had a simple treatment of 4 lower implants supporting a denture, a lower full denture and a full upper denture. And this is the before and after. This incredible patient had no teeth. She was restored simply by placement of 4 implants supported by an overdenture and a full upper denture at the top to give her aesthetics and confidence. Patient had few remaining teeth which were unaesthetic, broken, and wore a partial denture. She requested something fixed, and here the teeth were removed and a full denture was supported by implants in the lower jaw, and a full denture was supported by implants in the upper jaw to restore her aesthetics and function so that the dentures are now more stable. This patient had a mini implant supported denture, and the plan was to support the denture immediately after extraction of the teeth. And here is a result of before and after with mini implants in situ supporting the denture. This patient presented with no teeth. She was totally dentureless. 10 to 12 implants were placed in the upper jaw, 10 to 12 implants were placed in the lower jaw, and a full reconstruction made with bridges and crowns to give the final aesthetics. This patient is a unique patient, not because of his appearance, but because he has no teeth in the upper or the lower jaw, and he requested that they be implanted. So we placed 12 implants at the top and 12 implants at the bottom, and provided him with implant supported crowns, and here's the final result.